Good afternoon. Courthouse Barbie reporting on the scene. We are ready for tonight's blizzard as it rolls in. In fact, I'm all dressed up waiting to see Elsa as she lets it snow here in Virginia Beach. We've got our handy measuring stick all ready to go to calculate the amount of snow that we get over the next 24 to 48 hours. Stay tuned for updates from out in the field, from Pungo Barbie as well. She's down there waiting for Jim Cantori to fly in and rescue her. But here in Courthouse, we're just anticipating the potential of snow amount we might get. Stay tuned, friends, for further reports.